call is now being recorded.
Yes. Unit 3 Anger. As we have discussed in this chapter, how a boy control his anger. Now we are moving towards exercise. Textual exercise. First question is answer the following questions. Limbad Mahi will read first question with answer.
Yes, sir. What did Johnny's father advise him to do when he got angry? Answer. Johnny's father advised him to hammer a nail into the back fence when he got angry.
Very good. Question is, what did Johnny's father advise him to do when he got angry? As we know, Johnny always got angry. So his father advised him. But what was it? Answer is, Johnny's father advised him to hammer a nail. What advice? Hammer a nail. Now where? Into the back fence. Means Johnny's father advised him means Johnny, to hammer a nail into the back fence when he got angry. Johnny's father advised him to hammer a nail into the back fence when he got angry. Now, second question. Mehta Prem. Mehta Prem, read question and answer. Second one. Okay. Tejani Ayushi.
Yes, sir.
Read beta.
What remained on the face even after all the nails every removed? Holes remained in the face every after removing all the nails was removed.
Yes, what remained on the pants? Yes, why it is double sound? Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Now, what remains in the pants? Yes, let me check. There is something error. Double sound is coming. Yes. Okay. Why you started camera?
I read.
I did not complete. And don't speak. I read. Many times I told. What remained on the pants even after all the nails were removed? As we know, Johnny always got angry and saw that his father advised him to hammer a fence. Then after, when he controlled his anger, at that time Johnny's father advised him to remove all the nails one by one. But what remains? As we know, after removing fence from the nail, holes were remain in the fence. When third question, what
I
happened?
know it, sir. I have read, sir.
No one will switch on came mic. What I say? I will ask from comments only. Nimawat Pal.
Yes.
Read beta. Question with answer.
What happens when we say things in anger? Answer. When we say things in anger, they leave a scare. A verbal wound is as bad as a physical
Physical.
one.
Physical one. Very good. Now, what happens when we say things in anger, when we are angry on everyone? Suppose our friends, brother, sister, parents, elders, whoever is. What happened? The main thing is we are angry. We say some bad word. We insult someone in our anger or during our anger. But as we physically hit somebody, similarly, this is called verbal wound. It is also bad as physical wound. Now, question 4. Name the different things we do when we express our anger without control. It will read by Dodia Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Continue, better.
Name the different things we do when we express our anger without any control. The different things we do when we express our anger without any control are: we throw things at others and hurt them. We shoot at our elders.
Shout. Very good. Every one of us, sometimes you also become angry at your home, schools, whenever you are with your friends, whenever you are playing in your society. Now, when we are angry and control, we can't control our anger. At that time, what happens or what we are going to do? Different things we are going to do in our anger. First one, whenever we are at home, sometimes when we got angry, we throw the things which we belong, which we hold in our hand or which are surrounding us. We throw them and it might hurt others. Suppose there is a mobile on your in your hand. Your mama asking you to leave mobile and read from book or complete your homework or watch TV or come for lunch or dinner. You are angry and throw mobile or other tools or toys you are playing with. You throw them. It will break down as well as if you hit somebody, it will hurt others too. Second thing, we shout at our elders. When we are angry, we are shouting to whom? Our elders, our parents, our uncle, aunts, elder brother and sisters, etc. So these two different things we do when we lost the control over anger. Very good. Then next question is Usdariya Kesvi.
Yes, sir.
Read beta fifth one.
What is the result of our bad temper? Answer. We cause trouble in our school, home, and even on the playgrounds. As a result, others have to suffer many times.
Yes. What is the result of our bad temper? Bad temper when we got angry. At that time, what happened? Here, suppose we are angry or sorry, in our bad temper. At our school, home, playground, society, anywhere. Other people who are with us, they may be our friends, relatives, parents, cousins, brother or sister, uncle, aunt, grandparents, whoever is, they have to suffer a lot because of our anger. Thus, so that we should not be angry over other. We should control the anger as Sony control his anger. Now next question is fill in the blanks. Here are three blanks. Is there anyone who can answer each? All three without I give answer? હું જવાબ આપું એ પહેલા તમારે I know નહીં write in comment. Write in comment. Okay, મકવાણા અનિતા. Can you read? બધાના આન્સર સાથે બોલી શકીશ? અનિતા? Okay. Can you read all answers?
Sir, I read. Yes.
આ એટલે મને ન ખબર પડે. આ એટલે મને ન ખબર પડે. તમે નામ બોલો.
Sir, I can read crocodile.
I can read Somani Ayushi.
ખોખર આયસા રેડ ઓલ. All
Yes,
three
sir.
black red.
Okay, sir. He found it easier to hold his
Now what is the answer? Speak. I will not present. I told you without I give you answer or present my answer. If anyone can answer.
I read Amita Dhruv.
Okay, Amipara Dhruvel. Read with answer. I will not
I
give
can
you answer.
read.
Continue.
Sir,
Dhruvel,
मुझे आ रहा है. Teacher, Teacher, sir, I read Tejani Ayushya.
Okay, Tejani Ayushi read. With answer, huh?
Okay, answer. Okay. He found it
Easier. Easier, beta.
eh,
Easier.
easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into face. Number 2.
Very good.
Because to our bad temper, others have to suffer many
Suffer.
times.
Suffer many times. Because of our bad temper, others have to suffer many times. Very good. Next one.
Number 3. A
Verbal.
verbal word
Wound.
wound is has bad a very
Physical.
physically
Physical, beta.
one.
Very
Physical
good.
one.
Yes, Tejani Ayushi, your all answers are correct. Very good.
Thank you,
Yes.
sir. Sir, I am read Kushik Joshi. I read Mekati.
No one.
Sir, I can read Ayushi Somani.
No one.